Everyone, today I am going to show you the installation for HondaCity mirror folding and a window closer. Along with that, we will show you installation in two parts, one for mirror folding and one for window closer. In this we have to go peel off two wires in fact we have to peel off. One wire we have to connect directly to the battery. If you don't want to cut that two wires, we do have a plug and play connector for that. You can buy it separately at our website only, or you can choose the option of plug and play mirror folder. So you will get the plug and play mirror folder. So I'll show you how it works. So we are now in the car installing the mirror folding. So this panel we have already opened to make it clear. So you have to open this panel, take out this connector. So you will take out this connector. This is the male part of the connector. We have to put the female part of the connector which we have given you. Female part of the connector is to be connected with the original one. So the female part has to be connected to the original one, and the male part will go inside the original one. So now we have to connect three wires. One is red, one is blue, one is white. Red wire has to be connected in the fuse. This is the relay in which the connector has to be fitted. So now we are left with three wires which have to be connected. One is red. Red will be connected in the fuse box. We will provide you a pin for that. You can directly connect to the fuse box. White wire is to be connected to the white wire which is there inside. This part is near the driver's side. You have to open one panel. This part is there. White to be connected to white, and blue wire is to be connected with yellow wire. So you have to use a Scotch lock. Scotch lock is not a part of the kit. You have to buy it separately from your local installer. So now we are done. We need to connect three wires. For this we don't have a plug and play connector. This you have to peel the wires only. So this is the mirror working from the original switches. And now the lock door. That's the lock and unlock switch. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Keep sharing our videos. Keep subscribing to us. Thank you very much for watching this video. Whatever products we have displayed you are of the best of the quality, and you can purchase it at our website www.carplus.in. So do like us, do share our video, and keep subscribed to my channel.